Oh, hey guys. Just reading a little bit about Negronis. Classic cocktail, classic Italian cocktail. Really refreshing, but also bitter traditionally, coming from the Campari. We have ours, it's a little bit different. They're really nice, really balanced. Ours is a little lighter, a little bit more floral, and I think you'll really enjoy it. So why don't you come on over, and we're gonna make our house Negroni, because it's cocktail time at Nickel 9. So our Negroni is arguably one of the most popular cocktails in the world. There's cocktail weeks for Negroni, festivals all over the world, and it's just been around forever. It's a traditional stirred cocktail. We're gonna start with our mixing glass. And the Negroni is a gin-based cocktail. We're using our Hidden Temple gin, a lighter one, a little bit more floral, gives it definitely a different tone because that traditional London dry pininess that you get really comes through, but ours is a softer version of the Negroni. So this is a nice cocktail because it's all equal parts, so it's really easy to balance. We start with 3/4 of an ounce of gin, and also in the same line of being a lighter, more floral version of the cocktail, we are using our Ni9 Amaro. This is definitely a lighter version, a lot less bitter than the traditional Campari that you would get in most Negronis. So 3/4 of an ounce of our Ni9 Amaro. And then to finish it off, we use sweet vermouth. There's so many really great versions of sweet vermouth out there. We're using the Martini Rosso. Now we're gonna fill our mixing glass with ice and stir. You want this to be a nice gentle stir, not really agitate it, just chill it, dilute it, but you want to keep that nice viscosity of the liquid. Give it a good 30, 40 stirs. Beautiful. Now we need a rocks glass, and we like to put these on a king cube. King cube prevents over dilution of your cocktail as it sits. Just keeps it nice and cold, but not too watered down. So let's pour our Negroni over top of that king cube. Beautiful. And traditionally you can use a fresh orange peel. You twist that oil in, get a nice spritz, get that fresh orange oil. For our purposes today, we are gonna do the dehydrated orange. And there you have our house Negroni. Cheers.